about 2 feet further, just I want to make sure you had clearance while your back was turned.
Yeah, thank you. I do appreciate that, and you can take me in now. Just start with a foot. Altitude looks good there, Scooter.
Okay, here's the end.
Looking good. Good motion. Good clearance. You guys got a good view of the clearance, right?
We do.
Okay. We can stop there, Scooter, if that's the foot.
Yeah, it's it.
Okay, Bueno, ready for settings.
Okay, Alpha 3.
Set.
Counterclockwise 2.
Counterclockwise 2.
10.5.
And 10.5 is set.
Okay, you have a go to disengage 6 J-bolts there on the door, 6 turn.
Okay.
John, it looks like you're working on the camera back at the cope.
Affirmative. I've got the adjustable tether, and the camera is tethered to the cope around the handrail.
Copy that, John. You have a go for the MLI thermal cover.
On my way. Bueno.
Drew Feustel is now disengaging 6 J-bolts on the door of Bay 10. The Science Instrument Command and Data Handling system package is behind door number 10. In this case, that SICNDH package, which had a problem back in September, delaying the servicing mission so that a new command and data handling system could be checked out on the ground and loaded aboard Atlantis for this specific task.
Copy, bottom right.
In the meantime, John Grunsfeld, the free-floating astronaut, is down in the bottom of the payload bay retrieving the new SICNDH package, and he will be moving back up to the telescope with that in hand, and he'll
Cover open.
essentially swap, once Drew Feustel removes the old instrument, he will hand off the new instrument.
Okay, Bueno, the lower right is complete. Scooter up 4 feet. I'm watching my head.
Copy up 4. And Drew, I copied the lower right bolt.
Yep. 2 bottoms and lower. Okay, Bueno, I've got the cover all the way open.
Okay, John, you ready for PGT?
Let me go ahead and do a cal.
Motion stop.
Good.
The SICNDH package is basically 6 boxes that are mounted on a mounting plate, so it'll take about there are 8 or 10 bolts that are spring-loaded that hold that plate to the door of Bay 10 of the telescope.
Good count, John, and Alpha 3.
Alpha 3.
Counterclockwise 2.
Counterclockwise 2.
10.5.
10.5 is set.
The SICNDH module actually provides all of the electronics that command Hubble science instruments from the ground. It also flows the science and engineering data back to the ground.
Up 6 slow and just up 6 slow.
Copy up 6 slow.
Motion. Under the upper right bolt is out, sprung up. All the bolts, door bolts are released, Bueno.
Copy, Drew. All the door bolts are released. You can open bay 10 fully and swing your boot plate around to 0.